Are you in the market for a dashcam in 2025? Look no further. In this video today, we break down the top 5 best dashcams in 2025. Whether you're a daily commuter, or road trip enthusiast, or simply want to enhance your vehicle's safety, our comprehensive review covers the latest and greatest dashcams available this year. Join us as we explore features like video quality, ease of installation, night vision capabilities, and advanced safety features. We'll highlight the pros and cons of each model to help you make an informed decision. And make sure to follow our links because they will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and tips. So, without further delay, let's start the video. Number 5. First up, we have the KingSlim D4 4K Dual Dashcam. These are my choices for the best budget dashcam of 2025. Priced at around $99, this dashcam offers incredible value without breaking the bank. The KingSlim D4 features a 4K Ultra HD front camera and a 1080p rear camera, ensuring you capture every detail on the road. Its compact design makes it easy to install and discreet enough not to obstruct your view. One of the standout features of the KingSlim D4 is its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. With the Wi-Fi feature, you can easily transfer footage to your smartphone via the dedicated app, making it convenient to review and share videos. The GPS function logs your driving route and speed, providing crucial data in case of an accident. Additionally, the KingSlim D4 comes with a 3-inch IPS screen, offering clear and vibrant playback of your recordings. Despite its budget-friendly price, the KingSlim D4 doesn't skimp on safety features. It includes a G-sensor for automatic emergency recording, loop recording to ensure you never run out of storage, a parking monitor to keep an eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. The dashcam also supports up to 256 GB microSD cards, giving you ample storage for your recordings. The KingSlim D4 also boasts a super night vision feature, thanks to its advanced Sony sensor. This ensures that even in low-light conditions, your footage remains clear and detailed. The dashcam's user-friendly interface and easy setup process make it a great choice for beginners and seasoned drivers alike. With its combination of affordability, functionality, and reliability, the KingSlim D4 is a fantastic option for anyone on a budget. Number 4, we have the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Now this is my choice for the best value dashcam of 2025. Priced at approximately $129, this tiny yet powerful device packs a punch. The Dashcam Mini 2 records in full HD 1080p with HDR, delivering sharp and clear footage even in low-light conditions. Its compact size makes it virtually invisible on your windshield, ensuring it doesn't distract you while driving. One of the key features of the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is its voice control capability. With simple voice commands, you can save videos, start and stop audio recording, and even take still pictures. This hands-free operation ensures you stay focused on the road while capturing important moments. Additionally, the Dashcam Mini 2 offers incident detection and automatically saves footage of collisions, providing vital evidence in case of an accident. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 also comes with a dual USB power adapter, allowing you to charge your phone while powering the dashcam. Its easy-to-use app lets you view and share videos directly from your smartphone. The app also allows you to adjust settings and update the dashcam's firmware, ensuring you always have the latest features and improvements. Another notable feature of the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is its parking surveillance mode. When your vehicle is parked, the dashcam can monitor its surroundings and record any incidents that occur. This added layer of security is invaluable for protecting your car from theft or vandalism. The Dashcam Mini 2's sleek design and robust feature set make it a standout option for anyone looking for great value in a dashcam. Number 3. For those who prioritize performance, the Nextbase 622 GW is the best dashcam of 2025. Priced at around $349, this high-end dashcam offers top-of-the-line features and exceptional video quality. The 622 GW records in stunning 4K Ultra HD at 30 frames per second, ensuring crystal-clear footage that captures every detail. It also includes a 140-degree wide-angle lens, providing a comprehensive view of the road. One of the standout features of the Nextbase 622 gigawatts is its built-in Alexa functionality. With voice commands, you can control the dashcam, play music, make calls, and even get directions, all without taking your hands off the wheel. The 622 gigawatts also offers what 3 words integration, allowing you to pinpoint your exact location with a unique 3-word address, which is incredibly useful in emergencies. Safety is a top priority with the Nextbase 622 gigawatts. It includes emergency SOS, which can alert emergency services to your location in the event of a serious accident. The dashcam also features intelligent parking mode, which records any bumps or physical movements to your vehicle when it's parked. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts also boasts enhanced night vision capabilities thanks to its advanced sensor technology. This ensures that your footage remains clear and detailed even in low light conditions. The dashcam's built-in image stabilization helps to reduce vibrations and produce smoother video, making it easier to review and share your recordings. With its advanced features and superior video quality, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts is perfect for those who want the best performance from their dashcam. Number 2. If you're looking for a premium dashcam with all the bells and whistles, the Garmin Dashcam Live is the one for you. Priced at $399, this dashcam offers next-level driver assistance and high-resolution 1440p video capture. The Dashcam Live features a sleek design and a 140-degree field of view, ensuring you capture everything happening on the road. One of the most impressive features of the Garmin Dashcam Live is its live view capability. With a subscription, you can remotely access the dashcam's live feed from your smartphone, allowing you to monitor your vehicle in real time. This feature is particularly useful for parents keeping an eye on their teen drivers or for anyone who wants added security for their car. The Garmin Dashcam Live also includes advanced driver assistance features such as forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, speed camera alerts. These features help you stay safe on the road by providing real-time alerts and reminders. Additionally, the dashcam supports voice controls, making it easy to operate without taking your hands off the wheel. Another standout feature of the Garmin Dashcam Live is its cloud storage capability. With a subscription, you can store your footage securely in the cloud and access it from anywhere. This ensures that your recordings are safe and easily retrievable, even if your dashcam is damaged or stolen. The Dashcam Live also offers a built-in GPS, which logs your driving route and speed, providing valuable data in case of an accident. For those who want a premium dashcam with cutting-edge features, the Garmin Dashcam Live is the ultimate choice. Number 1. Finally, we have the Nextbase IQ Smart 4G Dashcam, which takes the title of the best overall dashcam of 2025. Priced at $499, the Nextbase IQ combines advanced technology, superior video quality, and a user-friendly interface. The IQ records in 4K Ultra HD and features a 160-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring you capture every detail on the road. One of the standout features of the Nextbase IQ is its AI-powered driver assistance. The dashcam can detect and alert you to potential hazards, such as pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. It also includes a driver fatigue alert, which monitors your driving patterns and suggests brakes when needed. These features make the Nextbase IQ not only a dashcam but also a valuable safety tool. The Nextbase IQ also offers cloud storage, allowing you to securely store and access your footage from anywhere. Its intuitive app makes it easy to view, edit, and share videos directly from your smartphone. The app also provides real-time alerts and notifications, keeping you informed about any incidents or potential hazards. In addition to its impressive features, the Nextbase IQ also boasts a sleek and modern design that complements any vehicle interior. The dashcam's easy installation process and user-friendly interface make it accessible to drivers of all experience levels. The Nextbase IQ also includes a built-in GPS, which logs your driving route and speed, providing valuable data in case of an accident. With its combination of advanced features, superior video quality, and user-friendly design, the Nextbase IQ is the best overall dashcam of 2025. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 best dashcams of 2025, each offering unique features to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the best value, top performance, premium features, or the best overall, there's a dashcam on this list for you. And don't forget to like, comment, overall, there's a dashcam on this list for you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tech tips. Drive safe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.